I just unlocked a brand new revenue stream for you. Throughout my time building the 9x12 method brand, my mission has always been to find ways that we could win together. And it's no secret that our message has spread far and wide with over 2,500 members in our group now and increasing every day. So with that in mind, I've decided to make one big change in order to protect you guys, the members who are already in the group and are actually devoted to this, and to keep slackers from tainting the name of shared mailing as a whole. So without further ado, here's the news. Our 9x12 method school community is now $99 a year. Now before you run and cancel your membership, don't. Just wait. If you're already a member of our group, you're grandfathered in, so there's nothing to worry about. You will continue to have free access forever. You can take a deep breath, you're good. However, there is one thing that has changed for you now. Man, let me tell you. You're now a 9x12 method affiliate. Officially, you're an affiliate of the 9x12 method brand, each and every one of you. Within school, all of you now have your very own affiliate link custom to you to refer friends, family, strangers, and dogs to our community. Toward the end of the video, I'll show you how you find your link in school. Don't worry. Now you're probably asking, what's in it for me? You'll automatically earn a 50% recurring commission for every new member who joins our community through your personal link. That's $49.50 every single year for every single person that you recruit. Now, you might be thinking, that doesn't sound like much, and I agree, but it compounds. Let me explain. Let's imagine you get just 5 people to join every month for 12 months straight. Just 5 people. And we'll dive deeper into ways to attract members later in this video. Just imagine 5 people per month. After 12 months of doing this, you'll have 60 members under your belt who join through your affiliate link. If we quickly do the math on that, multiplying 60 by $49.50, we'd come out to almost $3,000 a year in recurring revenue. I know, you're probably thinking, well damn, $3,000 a year, that's not even worth the work. But here's the thing, once you get the customer to join, it is completely passive income on your end. I take over the work, I mentor them, I help them win, okay? You just gotta get them in here, and then it's passive, and you're making income from them every year. So if you could have $3,000 in passive income every year with little upfront work, so you can treat the family to an incredible vacation, wouldn't you at least consider? Now you're probably thinking, well, yeah, but it's gonna be a ton of work to get people to join in the first place, isn't it, Mitch? I completely disagree with you. This group has been set secretly at $99 for about a week now. And in that 1 week time frame, I've personally attracted 22 people to join the group, just by myself. And I don't say this to brag, but I say it to open your eyes that you could be doing the same exact thing. So how did I attract these 22 members in 1 week? I posted about 1 video per day, most of which were extremely low quality YouTube shorts. 1 video per day resulted in 22 new paying members. Imagine if you posted 1 video per day, attracted 22 members per week. Well, by the end of a 365-day cycle, you will have attracted 1,144 new members, and you'd be making nearly $56,000 in yearly recurring revenue. Not one time, but recurring revenue for as long as those members stay in the group. Now, of course, I'm not promising these results because it will totally depend on how consistent you are and how you learn to resonate with your audience. However, statistics do not lie, and if you can be consistent, well, passive income is a guarantee. Now let's go over some of my recommendations in terms of sharing content and attracting members. And to be clear, all of these recommendations can be done alongside your 9x12 business. You're not stopping your 9x12 sales business. This is meant to be a passive income stream that complements your other income with a little extra effort if you're smart about it. So tip number 1, focus on social media channels like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram so that you can take advantage of their organic reach. Like I said, I focused primarily on YouTube. I only posted on YouTube in order to attract those 22 new members in the past week. Tip number 2, do not sell the community. All you have to do is simply show how it benefits your 9x12 business on a day-to-day basis. You're at an advantage because you're not the person who actually hosts the community, so you don't sound like a salesperson at all. You're just talking about your life, baby. Here is my recommendation for content, and honestly, if you did nothing else, I think you could attract members just by doing a day in the life series where you literally just describe what you're doing for your 9x12 business on a daily basis. Just talk about your life, talk about what you're doing. Really low quality videos. You're going to make just 1 low quality short in a vertical format every day. So you just hold your phone like this in a vertical format. And the reason I recommend a vertical short video is because then you can post the same exact video and the same exact captions on 3 platforms: YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, so you get the maximum exposure. You might as well. Each of these videos will only need 3 components. They can be extremely simple. Component number 1 will be simple video clips of you talking about what you're doing that day or showing what you're doing that day in your business. For example, something like this. This morning I sent off 30 emails and I'm already getting responses. Now I'm working on responding to those who are interested, and I have to go meet one of them in person to pick up a check later today. Component number 2 will be what I call the plug, where you explain how our school community helped you that day. For example, I went and did door-to-door today, and luckily I brought along that leave behind flyer that's provided in our school community. Oh, by the way, if you're looking to join that community, the link is in the description. It has been a lifesaver for me, let me tell you. You guys, notice how I didn't try to sell them on the community. I simply described how it benefited my business and gave them a way to join if they're interested. You're not selling, you're just telling them about your day and telling them how the community helped you during that day. Component number 3, ask them to follow your journey. For example, say something like this: make sure to follow me, guys, see what I get done tomorrow. This way your audience will grow over time, because it's hard to gain people's trust with just one video. Trust strengthens over time. These can literally be 30-second videos, with very low quality clips of you just talking or showing your day with a simple shout out to the community. That's it, no need for editing. So this is something you can literally do just alongside your day-to-day 9x12 sales, just to gain some passive income. I mean, you might as well, right? If you're already putting in the actions, you might as well get quick clips, quick low quality clips, and put them together and post it on the internet and possibly get some passive income out of it, right? Plus, it'll hold you accountable. Even if you get no passive income out of this, you won't be able to make videos and make passive income if you're not going out and doing something for your business every day. But if you do go take action, you can now make sales and grow your passive income alongside it. It'll hold you accountable. I can't wait to see what you guys accomplish with this. And because I can actually see exactly which one of you guys are attracting the most members, I'd like to sweeten the deal a little bit for you guys. I'm gonna give away my Scaling Master course to our top 3 affiliates as of May 15th, so a little bit over a month. And remember, this is on top of the extra passive income you'll be making because of your efforts. So if you're not a part of the community yet, and somehow you've gotten this far without getting bored, it's a great time to click join and take control of your life. The link is in the description. So now you can watch this video right here. That'll show you exactly how to find your personal affiliate link in the school community. So click this video right here. Message me if you have any questions, and as always, I can't wait to watch you win. See ya.